started.
Hey guys, I am here with Unlockbeard and we're playing White Noise, and I played this a little bit with him just a little while ago, and this game is so terrifying.
Yes, it scared the living crap out of him. And he freaking tongue violated my friend the last game. Freaking shoved his tongue in your eye and stuff. It was funny.
Oh, this game is terrifying. I cannot believe I downloaded it.
And we are playing on the hardest difficulty right now. Nightmare mode.
Yeah. Dude, are you
Word
running?
has it, he kills all 4 people. Actually, I freaking experienced this. He killed 3 people at once when we found 4 tapes.
Dude, why are we walking in circles?
Because you have to search every head to find. Oh, there it is. The cemetery should be right. Nope, on the other side of these heads. Come over here.
Oh my!
Get over here.
He's over there!
Look around him. Look. Oh God, he's right there. Crap, you weren't kidding. He's right there. There are 2 types of Slender Man. Most people don't know this, but there are 2. Slender Man.
Dude, stop running. Can we both just walk? Can we please walk?
Which disappears right after you're done looking at him, and then there is the real thing, which stays there when you're done looking at him. Green pillars, which you will see later on, are his totems of power. They give him more power, and sometimes you can find him on trees. He is Slender Man.
Dude, hey, can you walk? Can we...
Freaking nakeder than
Berto, can you walk?
You that scared that you have to be that close to me?
Yep. I don't want to die.
Well, since you died last time, I'm gonna freaking... Okay, he's right there. But since you freaking died last time, yeah.
You died.
Oh my God, he is like right there, really freaking close. Don't look behind you or you're dead. He's like that close. I'm looking.
Don't die on me. Like you did last time.
If I freaking die, you'd have nightmares, wouldn't you?
This game is so terrifying. Yeah, he literally killed himself last game just so I...
Just so he'd know what it'd be like to be alone and to see what the ghost would look like. Freaking gave him nightmares, he wouldn't stop screaming.
Oh man. The ending when I died was so terrifying.
White Noise is a new game and it is only... Oh my God!
I've only seen him literally once.
It is only 80 Microsoft points. It is the freaking most terrifying game you probably ever played.
I think I just saw him. But I didn't get a good enough glimpse.
Of course you're gonna see him because he's freaking white. Freaking, he's like a night guy in this place. Of course you're gonna see him. I freaking hope he kills you first.
You're so mean.
What's that? I freaking, if I see him, I'm literally gonna pick you up and give you to him.
You can do that?
Come look at this painting.
Oh, that's disturbing.
This is what he does to his victims. He does even more than that too. Freaking talking about it with you.
What up?
He's all like, he's right outside the window. And you know what? I'm gonna go freaking punch you in the face. Piece of freaking crap. No one scares me but me.
So you're that ugly?
You're busy killing my friend. I'm gonna freaking be like behind you and you hear a buzzing noise. I'll be right behind you. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Where?
Oh my God.
Do you know where the tapes are?
You
Dude.
were like right in front of me. I was face to face with him. Holy freaking crap.
Gave me a heart attack.
You don't even know what a heart attack is. Oh God, look behind you. Look behind you.
I am not looking behind me. We're already 4 minutes into the video.
Oh my God, and he's freaking killing us one by one. He literally teleported right in front of me and just went, hi buddy.
I find it funny how I have only seen him once.
Because you're not looking at him.
Oh my God! He just teleported right there.
I freaking with you. Are you coming with me or are you behind me?
I'm behind you. Ah!
You died. Oh my god, you died. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm a ghost now, everyone.
You look like one too. Oh my god. Don't freak you in, man. I'm gonna punch you in the face. Oh, you punched me.
Wow, that took 5 minutes and we both died.
5 minutes and 28 seconds.
Oh man. This is such a terrifying game.
I'm gonna do it again.
Oh man. Yeah, we're gonna do this one more time. And
Let the viewers know what it's like to die.
and then because since this one was so short, we're gonna do it again.
I mean, what does it mean?
Hey, did you restart the video?
No.
They're not free.
We're gonna die if we get separated.
Well, you mean you'll die?
Yeah, I'll probably die
You're
first.
freaking gonna die first. You know how many times I've played this?
Oh.
Almost always, when I actually play seriously, always the last one surviving.
Oh, I thought I saw him for a second, but that was just the tape.
Freaking secret tips. I can tell you.
Oh my god.
Extra tips if you pay me $20.
Yeah.
Tips. Don't look at the Spider-Man. Don't look down and don't look up, or he'll kill you. I'm serious. If you freaking look straight down, he'll kill you.
Can you wait up?
If you're not looking at him, he'll kill you if you look straight down for long enough.
Dude, could you please wait up?
Doctor, do you want to demonstrate for our viewers?
I do not want to have another heart attack.
Use tape.
I saw
For
it.
those of you that don't know what a tape looks like, you're about to see what a tape looks like. Get over here, Hunter. Get over here.
Shut up.
Look at the tape.
Look at it.
That is what a tape looks
Yep,
like.
that's what the tape looks like. And Unlocked just picked it up.
Yes.
Berto, can you
I'm
please
gonna let
wait?
Hunter get one tape because they're mine.
Yeah, I'm gonna have him gather the tapes.
Yeah, the more tapes you find, the more characters you can unlock.
Oh, what? Really? Then let me get some.
Yeah. Now he wants to get tapes. Freaking before, he didn't want to do anything with the tapes. The more tapes you find, the crazier he gets.
Oh, why are you doing that?
Isn't he like on? Can he like climb trees?
Oh my god!
I heard it from. I literally heard it too.
He can freaking touch you, he's that close. I'm gonna tell you, he's never been this crazy. He freaking must love the attention. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh god, it's right there! You got it! Oh, run!
3 tapes and we're only 8 minutes into the video. This game is so terrifying. I'd rather play Slender.
But no, White Noise is scarier than 20 Man.
Huh?
What did I say?
Oh man!
Oh, no. That didn't scare me. It just made me jump a lot.
I told you, man, he gets crazy. I'm serious. He went, oh god, he left me! He left me! Oh god! Oh god, Hunter! Hunter, he's gonna kill me! You better freaking find me! Maybe by the Stunheads!
I'm already there.
Freaking, when it says it's dangerous to go along your street, that means you're gonna die if you don't find your partner fast. He's right here. Just keep following me, man. Never leave me. I don't want to die.
I know, he was right behind me the whole time. I was gonna be the first one to die if we didn't meet up with each other.
The labyrinth level, freaking, he killed me. I looked
Can-
behind me, he was right there.
Unlocked Bird, can you check behind us?
Right there, and I died.
Can you check
I thought,
behind us?
That's no fair. And the freaking last tape was like right in that same room, right next to me. And I freaking wasn't able to get it because freaking kept teleporting right in front of me like freaking dirt. Hunter, whenever he kills us all at 4 tapes.
Yeah, he always kills us when we have 4.
But today we're serious, and I'm not gonna let that happen. I'm gonna go all every last tape. Hunter, he's like right behind you. I can hear him.
Can I grab it? Can I have this one?
You know we share tapes, right?
Oh, so wait, that means I will unlock characters too?
Yeah, even if I grab it, you still unlock it.
Yay! Sweet. He's like literally like a giant ape. 5 tapes. How many do we need to gather in Lockbird?
I have found all 8 before.
We're 11 minutes.
Holy freaking crap! And there's a green card. Oh my god.
Ah!
No!
Did you die too?
Yeah,
Well,
Scary game.
this is a very scary game. Unless you enjoy being scared, you can get it. Alright? So, that is going to be the end of the video. See you guys later.